Happy morning, children. Now we will discuss the properties of chord of a circle where one activity is given. We have to draw the circle with center O, and to this circle we have to draw a chord AB, and to this chord we have to draw a perpendicular OP. So these three steps we will do first. First we will show here the fixed point. Okay, this fixed point is called as the center of the circle. Now here we will draw the circle. Radius I have taken 3 centimeter, and now we will draw the circle. After this we will draw the chord. Name for the chord is chord AB. Chord AB. This is O, center of the circle. Now we will use our protector, or we can use set square to draw the perpendicular. Whatever you find it easy you can do. See, like this also I can place, slide it, and here, and I can draw the perpendicular. This one is easier, and with protector also it is easy. So I will draw the, see, slide it properly. You can see this point. See this point. Draw the perpendicular. Okay. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Now what they have said, measure here AP and PB. Now I have to measure length of AP and length of PB. So I will use the scale. So now here you see they have said no, measure length of segment AP. See, you can see it for yourself. Here exactly we have to place, see this point, from here to here this is 2.5, and here also you see from here till here this point, this is 2.5. See, so with this also they is told check with the help of divider. See what they have said. Now not one activity, they said draw 5 circles with different radii. This you do it and check. Draw a chord and perpendicular from the center to each chord in each circle. So 5 times you have to do this. Verify with the divider that the two parts of the chords are equal. So what is our aim? To understand that if I am drawing the chord, and to this chord if I am drawing the perpendicular, this perpendicular is bisecting this chord. It is dividing the chord into two equal parts, and easiest way is to check with the divider. Now when we are measuring it 0.1 also there can be a mistake, but with divider if you see I am placing it here at point A and here at point P. See, this point P here and point A here. Okay, and here also if you see point P and point B. So is it exact or not? See, here also and here also. Okay, so this explains us the property. What property it explains? That the perpendicular drawn. So here the measurement which I took, it is 2.5 centimeter, and this is also 2.5 centimeter. If you want, I think I already showed you all this. Now we will write this property here, and you also write in your notebook, draw the figure, draw 5 circles and check again with the divider. So the perpendicular drawn, how to remember, from the center of a circle. See, the perpendicular is drawn from the center of a circle to what? To its means circles. Chord. What chord? Chord AB. To its chord, what it does to the chord? It bisects the chord. Bisects the chord means it divides the chord into two equal parts. That is, length of AP and length of PB, they both are equal. Okay, this way you have to understand the property of the circle.